Good evening, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is appreciating yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, please do not lose your confidence when people are criticizing you. Sometimes it happens that whatever you are doing, people criticize it without knowing that what is its actual worth. Why you are exactly doing something and why you have developed liking for a particular kind of act. Sometimes it happens because you may be doing certain thing which people around you are not doing. Your friends, family members, relatives. And the people whom you know, generally, if large number of people whom you know they are not doing a particular kind of thing, they develop a kind of doubt that whether whatever you have started doing, it is going to be fruitful in any way or not. Is it going to be beneficial for you in any way or not? And this doubt leads to criticism. Only this doubt leads to criticism. So that's why sometimes the criticism is so severe that people start saying that whatever you have planned, it is absolutely baseless and logicless and meaningless, and you are totally wasting your time and you are not utilizing your brain thoroughly in the appropriate direction. People say like this, ladies and gentlemen, but you need to be firm. Whatever is there in your mind, try to be highly conscious about it. And I must say this, whatever ideas you are having in your mind, they should not be just fake ideas, but there should be some base. Whatever you have planned for yourself, okay, people are criticizing it, that is a different thing. But try to analyze that why you are loving it. Is it going to be fruitful for you in any way? Is it going to give you the desired reputation and recognition which you truly desire? And if the answer is yes, then there is no need to bother about what rest of the people are saying, ladies and gentlemen. It happens that whenever a person does something, 99% of people, they go against it. Only 1% of people, they are in favor of it. This is human nature, ladies and gentlemen. We cannot change it. Criticizing people is human nature. Criticizing those people who are doing something different from what rest of the people are doing, that is quite natural. People do it. But this should not distract you from your path. Always remember it. People's criticism should never distract you from your path. Be firm regarding what you are doing. And in order to be firm, you need to be highly knowledgeable about the kind of task that you want to do. Try to develop your own knowledge. Whatever you want to do, read books related to it, watch online material related to it, even practice it in your personal life on daily basis. These are the things that will make you perfect in that particular act. So what is happening if you don't become perfect in that particular act? Already your friends, family members and relatives are criticizing you for the same thing. You are already mentally burdened by that criticism. You are already facing mental problem because of that criticism. And along with this, if you don't hold perfection over your task, this will again become a big burden for you. If you don't hold perfection on your task, people will say that this person was saying that he is so perfect, he is so confident, and just look at this person. In real life, he is not able to perform this task properly. He loved this task. He used to say that I love this task, I love this job, but when it comes to performance, this person is not able to perform the task well. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, in order to save your reputation, be firm in whatever you have selected for yourself. Whatever profession you have chosen for yourself, even if people are criticizing it, you need to be highly firm in that. You need to be highly confident about that profession. Because if you lose your grip somewhere, more people will get chance to criticize you. If you lose your grip even for a single second, more people will get chance to criticize you. So already certain people are criticizing you among your own friends, family members and relatives. And if you are not able to show the right kind of performance, more people will come in your life to criticize you. And when this criticism is going to increase, your mental burden is also going to increase. Ladies and gentlemen, our profession or whatever we do, it is the source of income for us. And whatever we have decided for us, it is on the basis of our abilities. Profession is never decided on the basis of childish choices. Childish choices are not the base of a profession. The base of a profession is whether you are able to do a task properly or not. And if you think that you are able to do a task properly, be firm in that. Be confident about yourself, irrespective of outside criticism. Even if the people who are criticizing you are from your own family, still you need to be firm. You need to be confident about your task. Do not leave your task. Never leave your task. If you think that you are confident about something, never leave it. Doesn't matter who is criticizing you, even if they are your family members. Please don't leave your task. If you leave your task, you are not having any command over other tasks and you will be on the street. This is the fact of life. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.